In our latest video, we put a camera inside the washing machine, and we loved the footage. So we've decided to put more things in it. What fascinates us about washing machines is that they're centrifuges. In order to remove water from clothes, the machine spins at more than 1,000 revolutions per minute, which creates a force hundreds of Gs strong. More than 4 times the gravity of the sun, but without getting burned. What will happen if we place under all this pressure, a flower? A rubber duck? Some clickies? A stuffed toy? Balloons? More flowers? And what will happen if we put the cat in? Just kidding. As you know, these videos were sponsored by detergent, so here are some tips to save with your washing. The machine cleans clothes by using movement, water and detergent. There's no need to wash sporting clothes for 2 hours at 90 degrees. A detergent that is specific for sports will cut the time down to 30 minutes and the temperature to 40. You can also use special products that absorb stray colours while washing. Then just do the washing once with both white and coloured clothes. Subscribe if you want us to produce more videos. Sponsored by detergent.